Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make sugar cookies without flour. Preheat the oven to 350 degrees F and line a baking sheet with parchment. Start by creaming butter and sugar until light, then add egg and vanilla. Fold in nut-based flour substitute and a pinch of salt, mixing until a soft dough forms. Chill the dough for 30 minutes, roll gently, cut shapes, and bake 8-10 minutes until edges are set. These ingredients are simple and flexible for taste and texture. Use almond or coconut flour as your main substitute and measure sugar carefully. Room temperature butter blends more evenly with sugar, creating a light dough. 1 egg helps bind and add structure, while a splash of vanilla boosts flavor. If dough feels too wet, add a tablespoon of flour substitute. If too dry, add a teaspoon of milk. Chilling is the secret to neat shapes and consistent texture, so don't skip it. Bake at 350 degrees F and check at 7 minutes. Remove when edges look set but centers are slightly soft. Allow cookies to cool completely on a rack to finish cooking and firm up. For uniform results, use a cookie scoop and space cookies 2 inches apart on the sheet. Adjust bake time slightly for thicker or thinner cookies.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.